So hear me out, jerk chicken pasta, but with Greek yogurt. So here, first we're gonna, of course, add our butter. If you wanted to add olive oil or coconut oil, that's perfectly fine as well. Of course, we're gonna melt down our butter on medium-high heat, and then we're gonna put in our chicken and cook that up for about 6 minutes because it's chicken breast. Add in our garlic after we take out our chicken. Add in our sweet pepper. Allow that to saute, allow it to be soft and fragrant. Here I'm adding in my greens, which is pak choi. It's gonna, reduce down and it's gonna be good. Then I'm adding my coconut milk. You can add any type of milk you'd like. And of course the Greek yogurt. Get it thick. It's gonna give you good protein, healthy fats, wonderful addition. But to get that flavor that we need, we add in all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, and chicken seasoning. You can stop there, but I love spice, so I added in some black pepper and some cayenne pepper as well. After you get all of that incorporated, we're now gonna melt down our cheese. If you have mozzarella or parmesan, that would be great as well. Once that is good, you add in your cooked pasta, and after that, top it or mix in your chicken.